everyone. My name is Michael Terrell. I'm the Director of Instruction here at devCodeCamp. Today, I want to talk to you about our full stack software development program, a very popular course that we offer here at devCodeCamp. Specifically, I want to talk to you about the Microsoft stack, which is the technology stack that we teach in this course. Now, the Microsoft stack has been around for a while now, and it's continuing to grow in popularity. Companies still use it to build enterprise-level applications. It's fantastic to learn. C# is the programming language in there. You have ASP.NET for your platform for building out web applications. You have SQL Server as well. Some really great technologies here that are wrapped together. Now, when building out your backend for these applications, you're talking .NET or .NET Core, which being the newer, more popular version. And then you also have, ASP.NET to build out the web application framework, which you're going to allow to create awesome front ends as well. And these front ends could integrate with React or Angular, jQuery, or vanilla JavaScript to make them really pop and mobile responsive as well, which is awesome. Now, SQL Server being the database that we would use for the stack, very popular database, very good for storing your data, managing your data. And then ASP.NET MVC being the MVC architecture pattern that we're using to build out our full stack web application. So you're talking your front end, your back end, and communicating with your database. You also can use ASP.NET for building out web APIs and creating this infrastructure for building out these web APIs that expose your web services as well, so that you can integrate with other applications out there. So the Microsoft stack is really the full package. It also has fantastic documentation. So there's the official MSDN documentation, which is very thorough, which is put out by Microsoft. There's also just a plethora of community-based documentation out there. Because it's been around for so long and because it's so popular and so many developers use it and so many companies use it, there's just so much out there, so much information and documentation, so that even when you do run into issues, it's pretty well documented, all the different errors that you may run into. And then also the IDE, the development experience that you use to build out these applications. Visual Studio is the best out there, hands down. Everyone, I think, would agree with that. There's other great IDEs out there as well for other stacks and other technologies, but Visual Studio is constantly making improvements, and it is so awesome. It's so easy to use with. There's also Visual Studio Code as well. These IDEs make it so much easier to develop these applications. So the Microsoft stack, which really consists of .NET and .NET Core, we have ASP.NET MVC, ASP.NET Web API, we have Microsoft SQL Server. These are the main technologies, but the other things that make the Microsoft stack so awesome, it's very easy to test your applications, built-in unit testing frameworks as well. So there's so much to do with this. You can build amazing applications, and the Microsoft stack growing in popularity. So many companies use this still. So many companies looking for these .NET developers, .NET Core developers, ASP.NET developers. So that is why we use Microsoft stack. That's why we continue to teach it. And I hope you come enjoy it and have fun.